series coming up where I'm going to be showing you 99 different ways to machine quilt 2-inch strips. I've had a lot of fun creating this. It's been a great way for me to push my own creativity. Anyways, once I finished quilting and creating all 99 of those designs, I had a few extra strips here on the panel that I was quilting all these designs. And I thought, you know what, let's just keep going. Let's just keep being creative. So I've got a couple of strips left here. I'm going to bring you down here and show you how to machine quilt a 2-inch strip using some fun free motion quilting. But you can find all of the details, including an awesome companion design workbook that we've designed for this new series over on our website. All right, friends, hop down here with me to my machine and let's quilt this 2-inch strip. Okay, so you can see here that I have quilted out a couple of these circles already. Let's quilt out a few more of these. So this is that 2-inch strip. What I'm doing is starting, obviously because I'm working on a longarm machine, I'm starting over here on the left side, but just quilting a big circle. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. That's what I really like about a design like this, is it's so forgiving. So I'll quilt around it a few times, 3 or 4 times. Once I get about back to that middle point, then I'll stitch through the center and then go right on to that next one and just keep repeating that over and over. Let's do it. Travel through the center and repeat. I love how that design is turning out. So I'll keep repeating it, working all the way across this 2-inch strip. But like I said, make sure you definitely check out my new series. We have all the details over on our website. I'm so excited. I think it's going to be a lot of fun to stitch along with each of you as I share these 99 ways to machine quilt a 2-inch strip. All right, friends, I need to get back to quilting, but before you leave, make sure you do hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back soon with another machine quilting video.